Hey friends, are you ready to get decorated for Christmas? I'm Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I'm going to be sharing how you can turn some of your dried fruit into some beautiful and refreshing garland. I'm actually going to be using some dried oranges and some dried pears here. I've actually been drying these all week, and so my house smells wonderful, and we're getting ready for the holidays. So what I'm going to do is just make a simple garland, and what I'm going to be using is this really fine wire. It's real lightweight, so it makes it really easy to twist it around the different pieces here that we're going to be using. And I'm only going to be using the dried fruit. I'm not going to be using anything else. However, you could add some sprigs of herbs or anything that you wanted to make your garland. So I'm going to show you just real quickly how I'm doing this, and then I think I'll show you how I'm going to decorate with it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is dry our fruit. And the way you do that is you just slice it really thin. I'm using a mandolin here, and then lay it out onto either your wire racks or baskets and dehydrate them for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, friends, what I'm doing is I'm going to be threading these dried pieces of fruit onto this wire, and it's just so easy to do. This is a simple project, but you just want to slide your orange slide your wire through the orange. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring it on in toward the center, because I want to... What I'm going to do here is I'm going to just kind of fill it up. So what I've done here is I've got my orange here, and then I'm just going to take and twist this one time just so that it stays in place. And then kind of twist that back around, and now we've got our orange slice twisted. And so that's what we want. So now, once we've got one on, we're ready to add another one. And I have more oranges than I do pears, so I'm going to do a kind of like a every other one kind of thing. I'm going to do 2 oranges and then a pear, and kind of keep that rhythm going. So now we're going to bring this one in a little bit closer, and I'm just putting them about, I don't know, maybe 5 inches apart, something like that. And then once again, we're just going to twist and twist until we've got that, twist and twist until we've got our oranges in place. And then I'm going to use a pear. We're going to take one of the pears, and we're going to do the same thing, run it into the fruit like this. And again, it's kind of hard to keep it all within the frame of the camera here for you, but so we got that. I'm gonna pull it just a little bit further away, and then we will twist it twice. There we go. All right, we got that in. Now we're ready for another orange slice. So we'll get a slice of orange in here. Sorry, I keep coming out of the frame of the camera here. It's just hard to keep it with all this long wire. So we're going to twist twice like we've done before, and then we're ready to bring in another piece of orange. Twist twice, And we're ready for another piece of pear. First of all, showing you how the garland looks. I just attached it to the greenery that is on my stair railing because I can get a really good picture of it. You can see exactly how wonderful it looks. I'm actually going to be using mine on my garland that I have over my window. So it's going to look a lot like this, but it's just harder for me to get a good picture of it for you in that area. So I wanted you to see it here first, and then I'm going to take you over and show it to you on my window.